Hey guys, guess what today is? It's my sister's first birthday. She's 1 year old. So today we are going to make a cake. And I love chocolate cake. That's what I'm going to make. Bring it on to Vinny, but wait. Please hit that subscribe button to see all my videos. Bring it on to Vinny.
Alright, let's get started. Alright guys, so the cake that we're making today is a 3-layer cake. And the first part that I'm going to be drawing is the top layer. So make sure to be focusing on this area of the page for the first part. Alright, so we're going to start out with the frosting of the cake. So we're just going to make a line. So the frosting is going to be dripping down the cake. So we're going to make little drips along this part. And the drips that I'm making don't have to be exact to mine. These drips are kind of just random shapes. So now, to show the part of the cake that doesn't have the frosting, we're just going to create 2 lines on each side. We're going to connect those 2 with another one. Okay, looking good. Now we're going to make the second layer with the frosting. To give dimension, we're going to curve around like this, and on the other side, do the same drips. So just keep going up and down, however you want. Some can be long, some can be short, it could be messy, it could be however you want. Then again, we're going to come down with the layer of the cake. And then down here, I think I'm going to make some strawberries, which are like rounded triangles. And you can either make strawberries or connect the line. I think I'm going to do 4 strawberries, but really you don't have to do any strawberries at all. And then we connect the line in between the gaps and add some dots right here to make them look more like strawberries. Alright, so we're going to make the final layer of the cake. So make the lines really wide and doing the same drips, going up and down, however you want. Alright, we're at the bottom of the cake. So make 2 short lines and then just 1 long line to connect to those 2. Alright, now let's make a plate. So we're going to do 2 curved lines and then 1 long curved line connecting those 2. Alright, so that looks pretty good, just like that. But since this is a cake for my sister's birthday, I'm just going to go in and add some sprinkles that I'll color in later. So I'm just going to make some circles, kind of random, around the frosting. And I'm just going to do it on every layer. Alright, to top it all off, we're going to make 1 big strawberry, and I'm going to add in some dots, and that's it. I think it looks pretty good.
Okay, now it's coloring time in fast mode. 3, 2, 1, with the cake. Check out my cake. It really looks like a birthday.
Yeah, it looks like a birthday
This
cake.
is me. This is Mommy. This is you, Vinny.
Mm-hmm.
Hey kids, check out Vinny's. I think mine looks yummier.
Okay.
I really want to know what colors you did for your cake. Tell us in the comments below. Bye.